Hello everyone, I'm the Realization Lion. Are you trying to learn programming, but most of the tutorial video that you encounter at YouTube are too advanced to understand? Have you watched so much video on concept, yet you still doesn't know how to apply them? Our channel is here to help you learn programming concept through easy to understand visuals and explanation. Eventually, you also learn to apply this concept in development through our step-by-step video guides. Why I can help you? I started my career as a programmer. During my career over 9 years in the industry, I've developed countless interactive end games. Eventually, I became an educator, teaching learners from tertiary to secondary institute. I understand the challenges that you will face when learning programming, and I want to help you. I strongly believe that anyone can learn to code, and you will eventually be able to develop your own apps or games. If you are interested to learn about programming, click on the subscribe button below to stay tuned to our upcoming episode. Do look forward to our next video to start your learning journey. This is the Realization Lion. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.